Hello, good evening once again. In today's tutorial, we'll be learning how to design a birthday flyer in Pixellab. So let's get started by opening our Pixellab. Then you go to image size. Let's change the width to 1000. Click on OK. Now we have the size. Let's edit the text. Then you write happy birthday. Okay, now we have our text. Let's check the size is okay. Let's position our text. Now let's choose the font text. This one is okay for us. Okay, now let's choose texture for our text for it to be nice. Let's choose texture. This one is okay for us. This one is okay. Wow, how nice it is. Okay, now we are done with our text. Let's lock it. The second action we need to take is to add another text. Position it here, or let's delete this text and add a shape. Let's choose a circle for the shape. Circle. Now let's add color to the shape. I think this color is cool. Let's copy, change the color to be white. Okay, now let's this one be small. Let's put it on it. I hope you are enjoying the video. Now let's lock the two shapes. Okay, now let's add the text. Edit text. Let's write miss. Okay, let's change the size of the text. Okay, let's move it. Now you can't see the color of the text, so let's change color to be something like violet. Okay, now let's change the font. Let's use the same font. Let's take stroke. Stroke should be this. Okay, now let's lock it. The next thing, add text again. You edit. Let's write archive. Dora. Okay, now let's check the size. The size is okay. Let's change the fonts. Change this size. Now the color of the text should be the same color we choose. Let's add our stroke by choosing this color. Okay, now let's go back to the size. Okay, the spacing too matters here. Let's choose the spacing so that text will arrange on it nicely. Alright, now we are done with this one too. Now the next thing left for us to add another rectangle shape. Okay, let's make it small. Make it small. It should be small. Okay, now let's move it here and make it okay. Let's lock it. Now let's add this again. Then we write April bones. Let's position it here. Let's change the color for it. The same color. Okay, now choose the same font we use. The stroke should be white. Alright, now let's lock it. Let's add another text. Apple bone should do what? Rock. Wow, our text is going to be, our design is going to be superb. Let's check the color again. Choosing the same color. Now the font text, choose the same font. Alright, this one should be under. Now choose the stroke, should be white. Alright, okay. They are all in line, as you can see. So now let's continue by locking the rock. Okay, we are done. Now nothing is moving again. So let's go to image, remove the background. Let's add our own background. I think this background is cool for our design. So now the next thing for us, we want our design to look so beautiful. So let's try to add shining to our design by choosing our shining, by choosing our, now let's make it big. Make it big. Wow, have you seen it has covered the things that we did? So let's make sure that we reduce the opacity of it. Let's make the opacity. We want our design to shine. Yeah, you want it to shine. Okay, I think this one is cool. Let's lock it. Now let's bring our image. Okay, this image is cool for us. Let's edit it small. Okay, now the image should be here. The image should be, we should not stretch it. Okay, now let's bring it here. Okay, now let's log the image to think it's a nice birthday flyer that we've designed. So it's not anything, so you can save it as project. Let's name it she. This, if you want to edit it later, I can do it again. Okay, so the shining, you can decide to remove it. Let me see when we remove it. This one too is nice. Let's save this one to project. This one too, let's name it for the. Okay, now you can save it as image. Let's save it as image. You can choose to share with your friends on Twitter, WhatsApp, IG, and what have you. But now we are saving it to our gallery. It's saved. So let's go to our gallery and check the design we just. This is the design we just did. Have you seen? It's nice. I hope you all can do it. It's nice. So don't forget to subscribe to this channel, hit the notification button for more videos. Thank you.